Good morning, my dear students. Yeah, today is 11 August. Tam tanggal apa na? Tang to yung sale ka. Ayang kita ngari Independence Day akong lapore na ta. Please. Wednesday ni ka. Today is Wednesday. Yang ada dia, matam gi kongsa tile pa naite, dra. Aduna nakoi punsi sungai re, ahong badum sensible lakto ini ka. Baba na imana nakoi thamiba sa, kanta raisa si mangan baya pa nate ka. Yang akoi di constant way re, oda sing di ka. Aduna akoi di in the growing stage ni, ka learning stage ni, aduna tamba yaba khanghoba yabati akoi tamhongnaba khanghonaba honagadabuni ka yantar baise adune nga satra kharana September da laiba exam se karam manona hagakpa yawi ka adu phajana aisu kai haitare ka I want to calendar koi ginoi ki student diary hai gadra student calendar hai gadra I want to laite ka adu laitabana maram oiraga koina sum tana bada exam amadi laire habesti khange ka adu dunna akoi da lairiba nasagi calendar da yengaga exam to give the preparation taura and thereby say exam say around 40 marks ki dum boy ni ka mamang da tawhi ba adumai na ka MCQ ki type ta dum lakani adubu condition phara ga di offline da exam torpo ki condition su lai ka aduduna you start preparations for the board haidi online gi bu oiro offline gi bu oiro the preparation tauna ba di hona minasika and thereby say aduduna yanga Yesterday we have started discussion on trigonometric values of some standard angle natra 0 angle then 30 angle 45 60 90 smai tawdana trigonometry value khalagi when ngarang 0 ga 90 ga naida ba hogre adal wenamak nainakiba singdo as you all know that it was very easy am like provided kari khanga di la ise command no have a concept to khanga gadi trigonometry ratio din ko na hana phare natra sin na karino cos na karino dai cosec na karino have the khangre natra na 0 ta kadaba 90 ta kadaba to kamana tara ino have a photo khanga matungda concept to am line pass to sala ko ya bani ka gare ko to de adi de nga garangi makha ta bada ngasi nga kai ke lem howe 45 degree ne 30 degree ne then 60 degree ne so today we'll be starting discussion on kaida hosige 45 ki hosiyo ka trigonometric values of 45 degree yani ko sa ready le ko jinda yaraba Lakshmi yare ko to di horsika okay then you know as you already le mina horsika kono ngam yare ko namina na thawrano onchalo line to yanga 45 degree waita ga di we have to consider an isosceles right triangle to isosceles ti kani ne haiba kaya ba biki isosceles se yes triangle amada side ani sangma na budu ko ne kai ko haiba isosceles triangle ka we hai ka adudana we have to consider kaina consider to this isosceles right angle triangle isosceles suwaiba right angle suwaiba aduguma triangle ama consider tawrane ba yandai ka adudana ya Now you look at the diagram. Diagram there, this is A, this is B, this is C. Right angle se kai da wo hele ina B da wo hele. Aduga sangma mana ko to ji karam bana. Wasina karam wo ini sida triangle sida A B C have triangle to sangma mana ko to side ani ji karam wo ini. Kam wo idu ba? Yes, A B ga B C ga wo idu na tra. kaigina matanda BAC ga di sang mana ba yara roi kaigina AC is the hypotenuse name yan dai ka aduna AC is the hypotenuse ko ina banina hypotenuse ni ko ina kari hai this is the longest side of the triangle hai dra triangle amata side ahum lai hai lai ba ahum da kwai sang ma du ko ina kai kawai hai ba hypotenuse kawai hai dra ne aduna sigi side sidi sang mana ba yara roi ba yan dai ka ise mana da ba ya sigi di mana dra banina mana hori ba ni di kana no AB ga BC ga oi dore ba yan dai ka aduna these two will be equal yan dai ka osin da khange ko siba then adu matung da kai lage ngo triangle amata side ani sang mana ta ga di equal kari khange in a triangle those angles which are opposite to the equal side are equal and akona matam gidra tomjinga matam gi ka matam gi tari ke dore se C ga manari ba angle se opposite lai ba angle se kana no this this opposite kana lai AB ga opposite ka angle lai that will be C tadi C angle ani su manara ne ba yan tare ka tadi sida 90 lai thokre magi masali wari za oi jane nadra ne tadi sida 90 oi tadi le mori ba ani se tinjala kana kya oi pum to e this will be how much Disan kaya wini se tinjalakan 90 ta pam thok tro adu di manar ba ani tinjalakan da 90 ta ga di amomam le kya wai pam tho ne that will be how much this will be 45 this also will be 45 yan dar ba sa adu di ngo hoje koi le consider tori ba triangle se kari ta re de isosceles right angle to tar ba tare ka ngo side ani su manare right angle su oire aduna angle 45 se C the lower su yare A the lower su yare kai kuno mukho in sub manare haibani ka yare ko de adu de ngo sigi manari ba size na let's consider it is a K su K lower in khalasu dan dare ka adari A C ya sang ma kya wini ju putok ba yaro idra galaxy yaro idra se putok ba yani ka adu dali ngo kamai to puthora ne by using mana kami kamai taraga yes Pythagoras theorem sizinarga koi na kai dorani AC ki sang ba puthorani yan dai ka aduna yanga here in triangle ABC da kai dore right angle at kai the way na B the way re aduga kana way ne se AB ga BC ga manare which is considered as K yan dai ka adu di nga by Pythagoras theorem pehla ni se AC square will be equal to ngambi kya hoy ba AB square plus kanalani BC square lani pele tina kyan tari ko se then you put those value kanani ngo AC square lai re AB na kanano K BC na kanano K kyan tari se so tari hi kana lai re AC square is equal to twice K square therefore AC will be how much you take the square root on both sides then what is there AC will be equal to K root over 2. Yan tara ko siya. Hanggang ika. Sibog yan tara ba? Then after that now we have got all the three sides. Side of mga sang maloy na pangyan at ra. So pangagin kita ore, we can find its trigonometry ratios. Yan ika. Ano na nga? Then sine of angle 45 sine se kari ne hai ba opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite here is sidana kai dore 45 sab mana banena you can consider angle C ra angle A ra consider tawning ko amat long solo su gai de ka aduna let's consider angle C the consider tawreng khala C loi targa di kana wa ni sa AB upon AC, therefore AB is K, AC is root over 2 upon K, So k get cancelled. So what is remaining? 1 upon root over 2. This is the sine 45. Can I go say? Then cos 45, cos of angle 45 will be adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is considering with the angle C. So adjacent se kan mo ni BC ni the BC se kana ano K ni AC na kana ano root over 2K ni that is K can cancel as we did before. So kana limore 1 upon root over 2. Yani kasi then 1045 di kayo niya ba? Opposite upon adjacent. Therefore, opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Therefore, K upon K, that is equal to 1. Then what is remaining? Cosec of angle 45. Cosec se kana hai ba? Hypotenuse upon kanano opposite. Therefore, hypotenuse is AC, opposite is AB. Therefore, kanalo se root over 2K divided up by K. So K get cancelled. This is root over 2. Then kanawale sec of angle 45 hypotenuse upon adjacent. So hypotenuse is AC, adjacent is BC, 2 root over K upon K. So what is there? Root 2. Then last one, that is the chord of angle 45. Chord of angle 45 is chord is adjacent upon opposite. Therefore, adjacent is BC upon AB. Therefore, K upon K, that will be equal to 1. And there, okay, note it down. Sing with Sinjala yang Yare ka sima. Hi ure ka. Sekian tahu tu bayar ure nga. Yang terakhir yare ka tu dia. Okay, then sing mo lagi yang Now what is are remaining? देखिए वाला उड़े ऐसे 30 डिग्री का 60 डिग्री का वाला उड़े का अतो अनी तुमा ये ना वैसे से अतो दुका सिगी डिग्री तो क्या ना आइना साइड के साथ में कितना कुछ हो क्या अतो दुका sin 60 sin 30 अगर terms ratios तारुक का अतो ना कोई ना कुछ होगा that will be given as a homework. This should be considered together 30 degree and 60 degree. So here with this angle see angle we have to consider an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle khangi ka kai ne hai ba malangami kai ne hai ba malangami ne khum da ba ta da ba kuile ka malangami khonse na phajabani natra mi ju wang chawani na andaki bronze low hibi asam ningon do atu habe mana bani ka sumbra habe mana tra nungjen do ren yong ka mana bani skul dai han ga na tra ne se farenga adu equilateral triangle se kari ne hai ba malangami kai ne ba yes triangle amada side ahumang loina sang mana budu koina kai ka ba equilateral triangle hai na kawi ka that equilateral triangle loitar ke dore all the triangle also must be equal sima gyan tare ka aduna yama now we must consider an equilateral equilateral triangle ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯥꯟꯗꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯆꯠꯀꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯈꯔ ꯌꯥꯎꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯖꯥꯚꯂꯤꯟ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯣꯒꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯀꯣꯔ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯐꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯀꯣꯔ 30ꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯪꯉꯝꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯇꯥ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯪꯉꯨꯔꯒ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯖꯇꯨ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯝꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯕꯦꯗꯥꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯥꯔꯃꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯦꯗ A ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯒꯦꯖꯦꯇꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯗꯀꯣ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯤꯔꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯉꯥꯟꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ 1 crore ꯃꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯄꯤꯈ꯭ꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯈꯕꯔꯗ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯆꯞꯇ ꯀꯣ ꯏꯟꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯁꯟ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯨ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯕꯨꯛꯇ ꯀꯩꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯝꯃꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯐꯝ ꯌꯧꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯀꯧꯏꯀꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯄꯟꯊꯨꯡꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯏ IASꯀ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯕ IPSꯀ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯛꯏꯁꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯀꯜ ꯑꯃꯃꯝꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯥꯎ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯟ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔꯁꯦ ꯃꯤ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯒꯦꯅꯦ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯅꯤꯔꯖ ꯆꯣꯄ꯭ꯔꯥꯁꯨ ꯑꯃꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯖꯥꯚꯂꯤꯟ ꯊ꯭ꯔꯣꯗ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯑꯅꯤ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯄꯣꯟꯇꯦꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯂꯦꯝꯉꯥꯟꯕꯤꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯏꯕꯛꯇ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ IPS ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯌꯣꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯝꯕꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯅꯤꯕꯤꯗꯤꯇꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ SP ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯝꯗꯣꯏꯅ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯐꯤꯛ ꯄꯨꯂꯤꯁꯀꯤ ꯅꯤꯕꯤꯗꯤꯇꯥ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯤꯕꯤꯗꯤꯇꯥꯗꯤ ꯄꯛꯆꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯎꯞꯄꯅꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯕꯛꯇ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕ ꯂꯩꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨꯀꯣ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯊꯣꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯐꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯣꯏꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯈꯔ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯧ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯑꯊ꯭ꯔꯨꯗꯤꯀꯣ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯣꯝ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡꯒꯜꯁꯦ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯑꯦ ꯄꯤꯀꯤꯒ ꯆꯥꯎ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯌꯥꯔꯦꯀꯣ ꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯡꯒꯜꯁꯦ ABC ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ all angle will be equal to 60 degree ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯝꯃꯤꯕ trigonometry valuesꯇꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏ we have to consider a right angle triangle ꯆꯨꯝꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ right angle triangle ꯑꯃ consider ꯇꯧꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ right triangle ꯑꯃ consider ꯇꯧ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯔꯦ we have to set up and sidagi kaidarani we need to draw a perpendicular line yan dai ka perpendicular ji kaine haba biki yes vertex tagi opposite side ta perpendicular with 90 degree yala ko tu bunatra ne aduna sida kaina wala se from here from angle a perpendicular line will be drawn to the another now AC kare ko sa sida sikana thola si koi na B hai na thola si ka aduna AD se perpendicular oire kana dano B si da perpendicular oire adu tardi ekoi na kai khanga se A dagi perpendicular oire singa ibala isina B si je tangkai khai do kani as well as angle AC su tangkai khai do ki gani kanda ka aduna tangkai khai do ki taraga di singa sa kya le ni sa 60 le andra aduna this half will be 30 degree oire ani and the she can't go. The Tadigan ABD have a right triangle no Uratra Urega, the Urataki say ABD Hoyare, ADC had a share when the lonely triangle am considered over Yaricos. Aduna, but I manari beside a home dog when a kind of again, K and Lowers. And Danica, the K long time because I can high. ADC na, a double haba, BC and I can do a hydra. Higher up in the B, the Samakia were on it. Bikika were on it. Yes, half of BC will draw. The half of BC the Kanatare K by 2. The draw. From here, Station were on it. That will be K by 2. See, come out there, you can't go. Tanghai Khaidore has na Kamaina la you know have to that will be discussed in the chapter of triangle ka. Triangle is chapter yaw kadabani congruence of triangle the ka. Hey ka. That will be discussed later on ka. Ana kona na ina tine ka. Aduna si take it again was saying here when I can say triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Dan darbasa equilateral triangle where aduna kedaurani angle B is equal to 60 degree ka aduga kedaurabasa AD is perpendicular to kanadana BC da and AD bisect angle A. Therefore aduna kedaurani say AB equal to BC equal to AC, that will be considered as K ni laure ko na AD na bisect kanano BC bisect taura banina laure se BD will be half of K. Yare ka sibo gyan tari ka. Then after that yanga in right angle triangle ABD da by Pythagoras theorem AB squared equal to AD squared plus BD squared. So AB is what we have considered. K na consider to we natra K square lere AD kanano khandre AD will be as it is BD cannot say K gi sai tan khai ne hai gidra here yare ko sa sidedi ke dorani nga AD puthona bu hona ro sigen table nga this one tham hore ado K by 2 ye square already kana pange K square by 4 pangtra numerator is square lagu taba denominator is square lagu taina tra adana we will be getting K square by 4 like then 4 later 4K square minus K square, this will be equal to AD square, then it will be twice K square by 4. So AD will be how much? You take the square root, okay, Tani, K by 2 root over 3 upon, this will be the value of Kanano AD. Now we get the values of all the three sides. And the triangle se amwana ye thoke na khalo ang may same ka ang saw na tingnan mo kita ta ang saw na siya no sine kanal ay sa this will be A, this will be D, this will be B. This is angle 60. This is angle 30. And this is angle 90. This is K upon 2. This is K. And this is how much? K by 2 root over 3. And Sima. Okay, up to this, note it down. Sima sinjalang ana. Now we got all the three sides of the triangle. Sino pangenatra? Ata disitaki ko na kay dawra. Sin 30 puto kaya na opposite sila ni sin puto kaya na opposite sila ito din ako hayrani ka. This will be given as a homework. Ka. Ano homework ka rin sa homework ta kai na pi to se aina tackling the triangle ABD, find all trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Yare ko sa? Yare ko si ma? Hanggang ika? Kamadra si ba? Ngamani ka? Triangle ABD to lau ko ta bani ka? Atu tu ka side ang nakangin ka? Atu tu pito mo na ka to. Yare ko to. Yare pare nga. Masih di stalo sila se. Yanda ka? Atu na tak iba sing se amona revision sa luka. Revise version tau to. Sigi siya na maru ay bani ka? Sigi why derivative sibudi hang bayawi hang dabayawi sometimes. Atu kay daw re. Magi value phang na bona ba sidi am khanga da bani ka value sim pha pu na mo na ga da ne ana value sim pha pu ba gi tabulation na ma sema ka ni ka and that will be discussed tomorrow ka na hai discussion ta warsi ka yare ko to de ke fare nga asigi de sidal the se see you all in the next class. Okay, bye.